In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Chrome search engine changing to Yahoo. If Chrome keeps switching your searches to Yahoo, even though that's not what you want, don't worry. In many cases, this happens because the default search engine setting was changed inside Chrome. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few moments by reviewing your search settings and removing the unwanted option. Start by opening Google Chrome. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots. This opens Chrome's main menu where you can access the browser's settings and other tools. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to Chrome's settings page where you can control things like privacy, appearance, startup behavior, and of course, your search preferences. On the left-hand sidebar, click Search Engine. This section is specifically where Chrome stores the settings related to the search provider used when you type directly into the address bar. If your browser has been redirecting searches somewhere unexpected, this is one of the first places to check. Now, under the section labeled Search Engine used in the address bar, select Google or choose whichever search engine you actually want to use. This changes the active default search engine for your browser. If Yahoo was selected here, changing it back should immediately stop Chrome from using it for future searches. Next, click Manage Search Engines and Site Search. This page gives you a more detailed view of all the search engines currently saved in Chrome. It's useful because even if you change the default search engine, an unwanted option can still remain listed here. Scroll down until you find the site search or search engines list. Look for Yahoo in that list. Once you find it, click the three dots next to it and choose Delete. Removing it helps prevent Chrome from switching back to it later, especially if it was added as an unwanted search entry. After you do this, it's a good idea to test the change. Click the address bar, type in a search, and make sure it now uses your preferred search engine instead of Yahoo. If everything looks correct, then the issue is likely resolved. This is a simple fix, but it can make a big difference if your browser has been behaving unexpectedly. Keeping your search engine list clean also helps Chrome stay organized and easier to manage. And that's how to fix Chrome search engine changing to Yahoo.